American Indian princess who have Lewis and Clark, I think, explore the upper Northwest.
Yeah.
That's not SOHCAHTOA. It's a trick. So, you know, at Knox, they have the Big Thunder Rapids, I think, something like that. Bigfoot Rapids.
Oh yeah, Bigfoot Rapids.
Yeah, they have that sign. I've been on it a few times. They have that sign that says you will get wet, you may get drenched. No promises, but I'm supposed to make it rain. So here we go. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm so ready. I'm ready. Find that. Not panic. Both hands. Oh, well, that's a few drops. Oh, that water's been in there since September 7th. The first thing. What do you mean? I got out of control. I just happened to accidentally.
Yeah, accidentally.
I accidentally hit that, and I made it rain. That could have happened in any polyhedron. Thank you very much, Eddie. Thank you. I made it rain. Pretty clever stuff, huh?